So now that you're painting your snake, you're faced with the decision of how to paint him. You can do a couple of different things. We could do a realistic approach with different color greens, maybe some yellows and some browns, and go for a more realistic looking snake. Or we could get kind of funky and start to add some really fun colors. And that's the way I like to do it, because it's kind of an anything goes, and we can get really creative. So we're going to continue painting our snake and using all kinds of bright colors, maybe some pinks and purples, a yellow. We want to remember that in between our colors, we want to wash out our brush. So you'll have some water handy, and dry out your paintbrush after you rinse it out, because once you get water on your snake, it's newspaper, we have to remember that, it's going to get soggy. So I think that we'll take a fantasy approach for this snake. We could start him off green, but let's make him a little more interesting, maybe with some pink polka dots. And we want to do a base coat, and then we're going to start on the pink polka dot part. We don't really need to wait until his base coat is dry. We'll just keep going.